everyone. Welcome to the today's lecture on Symmetric Cipher Model. This video is specially prepared for computer science students to understand cryptographic concepts in a simple and practical way using real life examples. So let's start with the basics. So in today's digital world, our data continuously travels over the internet. This data includes the passwords, ATM pin, personal messages like WhatsApp messages and emails, and even the exam marks. So, if this information is sent without protection, hackers can easily read, steal, and misuse it. So, therefore, securing data is extremely important. To achieve this security, we use a technique called encryption. Now, let us understand cryptography. So cryptography is science of securing information. It converts the readable data called plain text into a unreadable form called cipher text. So in simple words, cryptography protects data from unauthorized access. So in this video, you will learn the symmetric cipher model, and by the end of this video, you will understand what is symmetric cipher, how it works, its components, real life examples, advantages and limitations. So next, let us understand what a cipher is. So a cipher is a technique or algorithm that is used to perform encryption and decryption. It defines how plain text is converted into a cipher text. Okay. And different ciphers use different mathematical rules to secure information. So for example, if the plain text is hello, then the cipher text is a unreadable form of hello. And this conversion process is encryption process. And the reverse of this process is called the decryption. Now let us understand a symmetric cipher model. So in this symmetric cipher model, the same key is used for both encryption and decryption. The secret key must be shared between the sender and the receiver before the communication begins. Since only one key is used, this method is called symmetric encryption. So in simple term, we can say the definition of symmetric cipher model is an encryption technique where the same key is used to encrypt and decrypt data. Now let us understand this concept using a real life example. So consider a locker that is locked and unlocked using the same key. Okay. So if someone else gets this key, they can open the locker easily. Similarly, in the symmetric encryption, if the secret key is leaked, the data becomes completely insecure. So this example clearly explains how symmetric encryption works. Now let us understand the symmetric cipher model components. So the symmetric cipher model consists of 5 main components. Plain text, that is the original readable message. Encryption algorithm that converts plain text into cipher text. Secret key, that is shared key used in encryption and decryption. Cipher text, the encrypted unreadable message. The decryption algorithm that converts ciphertext back into the plain text. So all these components work together to protect the data. So first, the sender combines the plain text with a secret key and applies the encryption algorithm. This produces ciphertext. So this ciphertext is then transmitted over the network. At the receiver side, the same key is used with the decryption algorithm to recover the original message. Let's take a practical example. Suppose the message is "you are cute" and the key is, for example, key 123. So after applying the encryption algorithm, the message is converted into a unreadable ciphertext, and this encrypted message is now safe to transmit. Now, this ciphertext is sent through the network. Even if an attacker intercepts this message during transmission, they cannot understand it because the message is encrypted as well as the secret key is not available. Thus, the data remains secure. At the receiver side, for the decryption process, the same secret key is applied along with the decryption algorithm, and as a result, the original message is obtained exactly as it was sent. Now let's understand some real life applications of symmetric cipher. So in ATM machines, it is used to encrypt the PIN numbers. Uh, in zip files and folders, it is used for protecting by passwords. Databases storing the sensitive information, they also use the symmetric encryption. Wi-Fi networks where a shared password is used. Uh, Mostly all the messaging apps also used symmetric encryption partially for encrypting the message before the transmission. Now let's discuss some common symmetric encryption algorithms. So the first is a DES, that is a data encryption standard, that is outdated and very less secure because of the uh, less key size. Second is a 3DES, that is an improved version of DES. The next one is a AES, that is an advanced encryption standard, that is most secure and widely used today. And another one is a two-fish. So among all these, AES the most important from an examination point of view. Now let's understand the advantages and limitations of symmetric cipher. So the main advantage of symmetric encryption is it is very fast. It is suitable for the large amount of data. It is the implementation is very simple, and it also required a less computational power for encryption and decryption. So because of these advantages, it is widely used in practical systems. Now let's understand the limitations. So the major limitations of symmetric encryption is secure key sharing problem. Okay, so as in the symmetric encryption, the key is required by both sender and receiver. So if the secret key is compromised, the entire communication becomes insecure. So therefore, the key management is a very serious challenge in the symmetric encryption, and that's why it is not suitable for large networks. For examination, the student must focus on the definition of symmetric cipher, diagram of symmetric cipher model, examples of algorithms like AES, DES, triple DES, advantages and disadvantages of symmetric cipher, and real life applications of symmetric cipher. So these questions are the frequently asked in the university examination. So to conclude the symmetric cipher, this model is a fast and efficient encryption technique, and that is widely used in the real life system. However, protecting the secret key is extremely important to maintain the security. And this symmetric cipher model is widely used in examination purpose for understanding the concepts of the security in the cyber security basics and also in the cryptography basics. So if you found this video helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more videos on cryptography topics such as the AES, RSA, or the digital signature. Thanks for watching.